Perfect. So let's start with the BCG analysis. As you know, Rosewood Hotels is a huge corporation that encompasses a ton of hotels, as you can see in the analysis. It's actually color coded because it's really important also to analyze the continents in the analysis, and in the case they didn't give much information on high business growth and market share, so we would have to do actually some research. On the references, we have all the links. We actually had to go to the different web pages of the different hotels to figure out the price of the night staying over and kind of figuring this out. Also, the case analysis hinted at some of the hotels, but not all of them. So some analysis was placed into it. Some tendencies are pretty clear. There's only one dog company, and it's the one located in Asia, which is the Hotel Seiyo Ginza in Japan. Um, and we will kind of see that in the product lifecycle analysis as to why. The two question marks are actually, interestingly enough, both from the Middle East. They will also be sort of explained in the product lifecycle because of how new they were. And so we would have to actually invest on those two. And what we would expect from this type of business and this type of market is for most of them to be cash cows or stars. We know that the hotel is industry, especially in 2003, isn't that forgiving, and so hotels either remain and produce, which would be the cash cows, or they die. And so that's why we have so little amount of hotels in the dog section. And actually, if you realize, the Hotel Seiyo Ginza hotel isn't that bad. It's actually just do two levels and two scores in the dog section. So all the Caribbeans, of course, the Caribbean is a great destiny. Cash cow. The King Pacific Lodge is actually really doing amazing during the case analysis. The Carlisle, it's actually still a really prestigious hotel and is still growing and producing tons for the company. And finally, we have the Mansion on Turtle Creek and Hotel Crescent Court, which are the original hotels found in the case, in which with the two hotels which Rosewood started the whole company with.